Unscrew the screws that secure the side plastic frame covers to remove them. Disconnect the rear light power connector. Unscrew the nuts that secure the rear light to the bracket and remove the light. Use the number 13 wrench and the number 6 hex wrench to remove the saddle post triangle mounting screws. Install a universal seat post on the place of the removed saddle post triangle with the help of M8 by 40mm screws from the universal seat post kit, and with the nuts and washers from the saddle post triangle mount. Install the rear light bracket from the universal seat post kit onto the trunk. Install the side plastic frame covers again. Use M6 by 20mm screws to install the right and left side bag brackets. Install the rear light to the bracket. Carefully pull out the supply of the rear light power cable and fasten the connector. Use the lower brackets to place the side bag on the mount. Tighten the upper fastening clips. Fix the side bag in its place. Repeat the operation for the second side bag.